Year 6, we have a really hands-on approach. It's all about getting into practicals, understanding why some things happen and some things don't. What does our cracker contain that our marshmallow might not contain? Carbohydrates. We cover biology, chemistry and physics topics. These can include the cells, the cardiovascular system. We certainly do love a dissection here.
This is one of the ventricles here. It feels like a big bit of meat full of blood, because that's what it is.
Today it was a heart. They were given the tools to cut it open, to explore, to be able to identify the different chambers. We do chemistry and introduction to chemical reactions in terms of reactants and products.
Next, we're going to put in some of this sodium bicarbonate.
What is that and what will that do?
It's an alkali, so it might change the colour a bit.
It's so much fun. Our children are so inspiring for each other, for me, and it offers just wonderful opportunities. The wealth of knowledge that our students have from being with specialist teachers, it's absolutely phenomenal. We've got the pulmonary artery. What's the other artery we've got in our heart?
The aorta, and it's the thickest because that's where the highest blood pressure is.
It really is about engaging them and getting them interested and excited, especially at this age. They are so enthusiastic and have so much to offer. Year 6 is a brilliant opportunity to prepare our students for moving forwards to the upper. It develops their lab skills. Our students go through with a lot of confidence in their understanding of science and how it works and their ability to accurately identify and interpret questions and answers and apply their understanding. It really is an absolutely wonderful place to be.